Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve performance issues you're experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go over a few different methods or different features you can turn on or off in today's tutorial. But the first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to go and select Power Options over on the right side. Select where it says Show Additional Plans, and you want to select Higher Performance, favors performance, but may use more energy. So if you're using a laptop, you may notice your battery consumption will be increased. However, if you're on a desktop, it really shouldn't have too much of an effect on your energy usage, but in any case, I would recommend changing it to higher performance here. And then once you're done with that, you just close out of it, and it should take effect immediately. Something else I recommend doing here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in disk cleanup. Best match should take disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select cleanup system files. And select OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Select delete files. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and restart your system. One further thing I want you guys to do is open up the search menu, type in disk defragment. Best results should come back with defragment and optimized drives. Go ahead and open that up. So if you're using a hard disk drive, you can go ahead and actually optimize it so it'll analyze and optimize the drive. So it's basically just defragmenting the hard drive. If you're using a solid state drive, it'll allow you to optimize it, but you shouldn't be defragmenting solid state drives, and even optimizing it is debatable if it's even necessary. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys, as well. You would go ahead and continue this. For some reason, on my system, perhaps with how it was installed on a hard disk drive, it's showing it here, even though it is installed on a solid state drive. So just want to put that out there. But anyway, Windows should be able to detect whether it's a hard disk drive or a solid state drive, and then you would just go from here with the options to optimize it. So basically we would run the disk defragmenting utility. One further thing too, if you right click on the start button and you select task manager, select the startup tab. And if you see a lot of programs in here that start up every time your computer turns on, you can just select it and then select the disable button. So generally speaking, the only programs in here I would keep on would be an antivirus software, basically. And if you're using Dropbox or OneDrive, for example, then you can keep that enabled. Otherwise, I would just turn them off if you're not using them. And that's pretty much it. It'll help improve your startup time as well as anything running in the background. So as well as programs running in the background every time your computer restarts. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.